Hello students, this video is regarding the reduced syllabus of class 12 ICSE board, and there is a huge reduction in the syllabus, and that is according. Now this video includes detailed study of all the topics that are reduced, and all the reduced topics are on this side of the table, so please listen them and watch them carefully just to avoid any mistake in any of the topic, and please mark all the topics in your book to avoid any hassle at that time. So in the chapter number 1, that is the solid state, so there is reduction of the 3 topics. The first one is the voids, types, locations, formations, derivation of the radius of the voids, band theory, this is piezoelectricity and the pyroelectricity. The next topic is ferromagnetic, ferrimagnetic and antiferromagnetic only. So only these 3 topics are reduced from the chapter solid state. Now if we move to the chapter number 2, that is the solution chapter, then there is a reduction of only one topic, that is the graphical representations, fractional distillation with example of the topic Rule's law. So they need of the topic Rule's law, that is the azeotropic mixtures. So in the azeotropic mixtures, now its definition and types only the part of the syllabus, and they decrease the graphical representation, fractional distillation with example of the azeotropic mixtures. The rest of the topics were intact, the same ones. Now if we move on the chapter number 3, that is the electrochemistry. In the chapter electrochemistry, they reduce only the dry cell and the lead accumulators, fuel cells and the corrosions, batteries, primary and secondary cells, Leclanché cell, mercury and the lead cells, lead storage batteries, fuel cells, structure, reactions and uses, corrosion concept, mechanism of electrochemical reactions, factors affecting it and its preventions. So these topics are the reduced one topics only, and rest were the intact ones. Rest of the topics were the same. There is no change in the rest of the topics. Now if we move on chapter number 4, that is the chemical kinetics, then only and only there is a reduction of topic rate equation for the zero order reaction and its unit. Rate equation for the zero order reaction and its unit. One topic reduced. It's not a topic, I cannot say it's not a topic. It just simply, when you are doing for the first order, second order and third order, then nothing happen when you are talking about the zero order reaction. Okay, moving on the next chapter, that is the surface chemistry. In surface chemistry, okay, if we talk about the chapter surface chemistry, in the chapter surface chemistry, there is a reduction in the topic Freundlich absorption, isotherm, graphs, expressions and application of the adsorptions. So there is the only reduction in this topic in the chapter of surface chemistry, and rest of the topics were same. And there is a reduction of one more topic in the chapter surface chemistry, that is enzyme catalysis, basic idea, lock and key mechanism of the enzyme catalysis. Very simple topic it is. Such if they reduce, then there is no any need for this topic. Okay, if we talk about the general principles and processes of isolation of elements, then they reduce the topic, that is your Gibbs free energy, Ellingham diagram, significance only its, and thermodynamic principle of metallurgy and uses of metals and their alloys. So only 2 topics were reduced in the chapter general principles and processes of isolation of elements, that is the thermodynamic principle of metallurgy, Gibbs energy, Ellingham diagram, and that is significance only, and uses of metals and their alloys. Okay, understand this thing. Now if we move on the topic number wait a minute. If we move on the topic number on the chapter P block elements, and in this chapter P block elements, there is a reduction of few topics only. There is a reduction of huge number of topics in this chapter, and that is a big advantage for you all people, just because there is a big problem in remembering and just learning this chapter, just because this is in a very huge chapter and it is coming in a very good amount in your exam. Actually it is coming in a very large number of questions are coming from this topic particular chapter, and this chapter is the longest chapter of in the whole chemistry of class 12. So there is a reduction of oxides of nitrogen, N2O, NO, N2O3, N2O4, N2O5, preparations, their structures and their uses, then ammonia, preparation and its manufacturing, properties, reaction with oxygen, copper oxide, chlorine, hydrochloric acid, and formation of complex and uses. Please mark these topics in your book to avoid their hazelness at that exam point of view, on your exam time. Okay, now allotropes of phosphorus, their structures, that is allotropes of phosphorus are red phosphorus, white phosphorus and the black phosphorus. So cut them in your book. Phosphorus trichloride, preparation and phosphorus uses, phosphorus pentachloride preparations, and rest of the things. Oxoacids of phosphorus, structure and preparation only. And the next topic is your oxygen with the lab preparation methods and with the metals and non-metals and their nature. And if we talk about the sulfur, allotropes of sulfur, rhombic, monoclinic, structure of sulfur, and action of heat on sulfur and extraction by the fresh process. And the oxoacids of sulfur only, that topic is also get reduced here. So all these topics are reduced from these, just because P block elements are containing 4 groups: group number 15, group number 16, group number 17, and group number 18. So there is a good reduction in the topics of from the group number 15. So all these topics are from group number 15 and all these words are from group number 16. Now if we move on the group number 17, so in group number 17 there is a reduction of few topics, that is the hydrochloric acid, its lab preparation, its acidic nature, ammonia, aquaresia and carbonates, and all these topics were reduced here. And oxoacids of halogen, their structure and period, acidic in properties. Actually these topics are difficult to remember on that particular time, so if they get reduced, that is a very beneficial point for you people, just because what the time you people have, they get reduced. Okay, yes, they all these topics from the P block elements, yes, they affect your NIT and IIT exam papers, just because for all the students who are IIT and NIT aspirants, they need to perform or they need to learn all these topics that are the must topics for them. So please remember that is for the NIT and the all the IIT aspirants. For the D block and F block elements, there is a reduction in the one topic only, that is the interconversion of chromate and dichromate ion effect of the pH. They reduced only this topic, that is the interconversion of chromate and dichromate ions by the, that is the effect of pH only. Okay, while moving on the chapter number 9, coordination compounds. In coordination compounds, many topics were reduced. That is the first topic, if I'm talking about the crystal field theory, the crystal field in tetra and octahedral system, it explains you, actually crystal field theory explains you why the coloration present in the coordination compounds. If it is there, that is beneficial. If it is not there, it's okay, you can study this topic in the higher classes. It is coming in the higher classes as well as that. Okay, and explain the stability on the basis of magnitude of K, and that is the stability of the coordination compounds. Those two topics basically were reduced. The first topic is the crystal field theory, and in crystal field theory it will explain you why the coloration produced by the coordination compound complexes, and why second topic is the stability of the coordination complex. By this topic you must learn why these coordination compounds are stable. But again the same thing is there in the coordination compound chapter also for the NEET and IIT aspirants. Please do these topics, do not forget these topics, they are important for your exam point of view. And now the chapter coming for the organic chemistry. If we talk about the organic chemistry, that is the first chapter, haloalkanes and haloarenes. So there is no any reduction in the organic chemistry, only two topics were reduced here. The first one is the structure of freons and the second one is the structure of DDT only. Okay, so please understand this thing. And basically they reduce the few last one topics that are different types of compounds produced, so they decrease these topics from your syllabus. Okay, now next we are moving on the next topic, that is the alcohol, phenol and ethers. In the alcohol, phenol and ethers, The first thing is reduces manufacturing of methanol by the Bosch process and ethanol by the fermentations of the carbohydrates. And the next topic is chemical equations are not required. Actually, it is given preferredly that chemical equations are not required, but these topics were reduced. And the very important thing from this chapter in the alcohol, phenol and ethers, they reduced your aryl ethers. Complete aryl ethers were reduced from your this chapter, alcohol, phenol and ethers. Actually, again I am saying this thing, but still these topics were important from your competition point of view. Please, for those students who are participating in the competition exam for the next coming year, do not skip them. Please do them. Okay, if we move on the next chapter, that is the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. So there is no any change in the chapter. It will remains the same. No change in this chapter, that is the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Again, in the organic chemistry, if we talk, this chapter is the biggest chapter or the largest chapter. इसको करने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम जाता है और इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर भी है विद एवरी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इधर योर एग्जाम और इधर योर कॉम्पिटिशन एग्जाम. Okay, now next chapter is the organic compounds containing nitrogen. Again, there is no change in this chapter, so you need to perform the whole chapter again. Okay, now if we move on the biomolecules chapter, in the biomolecules chapter 2 or 3 topics were decreased. The first one is the establishment of structure for the glucose and fructose, open and its cyclic structures, and second is the its reactions with the phenyl hydrogen acetic anhydrides and the glycosidic bond linkage with the maltose and lactose. You need to perform the structure of maltose and lactose, but now these topics were reduced here, so please mark them that you do not need to these topics. तो आपको परफॉर्म करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है इन टॉपिक्स को. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द प्रोटीन टॉपिक इन द बायोमोलिक्यूल्स. अगेन इन द प्रोटीन टॉपिक दे रिड्यूस द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन्स, दैट इज द प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्सरी एंड क्वाटरनरी structures. Their qualitative idea we need only. And secondly, they reduce on the structure of proteins and their qualitative idea. This is an external, wait a minute, I will cut it down. Okay, now this is the only topic they reduce from this chapter. Now if we move on the next chapter, polymers, then there is no any change in the chapter polymers, so you need to perform whole chapter. Now if we talk about the chapter chemistry in everyday life, that is the chemicals in medicines, so the complete topic soaps and detergents. Now you need not to do soaps and detergents in the chapter chemistry in everyday life, only the chemicals in medicines and chemicals in food. Chemicals in medicine, that is all the drugs, antihistamine, antibiotics and chemical in foods are coming in your exam now. Okay, understand? I hope now whole the syllabus and chapters are clear to you all. Actually अभी जो तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा इसमें पता लगा ना कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ पी ब्लॉक ऐसा चैप्टर है जहाँ से ह्यूज रिडक्शन हुआ है. रेस्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर से मुश्किल से एक या आधा टॉपिक रिड्यूस किया गया है और उस टॉपिक से आपको इतना कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. सो प्लीज डू फोकस ऑन योर स्टडीज वेल, बिकॉज आप लोगों के एग्जाम्स होने वाले हैं डेफिनेटली. सो प्लीज डू फोकस ऑन योर स्टडीज and revise all the things what you are doing in the whole day and revise them in the evening time. That is very important for you people to revise the syllabus or to revise your things in the evening time. So have a good day.